Hey everyone, look what I have in here. This is the Avios C-130 from HobbyKing. I hope you can hear me good because everyone is flying those gas airplanes and it's so loud in the background. Anyways, I want to have this airplane for a long time, but it was out of stock. And now it's back and they improved some things on it, like the flaps, especially the outer flap. They told me it has some, it wasn't strong enough, and now they improved the whole thing and everything works perfectly. It has retracts and a very cute cargo door. I love the cargo door, plus all the navigation lights, and there's also a small LED inside the cargo bay inside, and even there are some LEDs on the doors of the main landing gear, which is so cute. It runs on 4S, and actually HobbyKing sent me 2 batteries for it. 4S 3000 milliamps, but because I am super smart, I forgot them at home. Felix here has some small batteries for his quad. They're 4S 1500 milliamps. It should be enough for like 3 to 4 minutes flight, I would say. But I'm just worried about the weight. But here we have a very big hatch, so I can place the battery all the way to the front. Yeah, I'm so excited. I love the details on this one. It's so cool. It's amazing. They did an amazing job, especially the retracts mechanism. It's so cool, super scale. And yeah, let's take it for the maiden. Okay, let's go.
Damn!
Nice, look at this.
That's powerful, is it?
Amazing. Steps up, gear up. Wow.
So beautiful.
Yeah. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, the gear is inside. Okay, up, gear up. I did not assign the voice thing.
I can tell you. Gear up.
Oh, thank you, Paul. CG looks perfect. Now maybe? Yeah, now it's this is beautiful. I love it. It's so quiet too. I love that. Wow! So cool. Okay, let's try full flaps.
Yeah.
Nice!
Wow.
Look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. Amazing.
Can you do that again?
I love that. Let's try landing because the
Yeah.
battery is too small.
Yeah.
Gear down, full flaps.
But give it some throttle.
Yeah.
What a
Amazing.
landing!
It's amazing. It's super easy to control.
It looks
You see,
super stable.
It is super stable. Like
It flies super straight. There's no
Wow.
roll in any direction when.
And I
With
expected
pickup.
like 4 motors. It would be like super loud. But
Nothing
you
at all.
barely hear it even when it
Nothing
comes
at
in
all.
front of you.
For super small.
Awesome.
Motors.
Look, I landed full flaps. It's amazing. I love that. That's so cute.
Flipping awesome.
Yeah. Nice. Look at this wiggle. Amazing. I don't know.
Deflected.
Okay. Hatch open.
Yeah. Perfect.
Oh wow.
So lovely.
Hatch doors. Awesome. Oops. There's some turbulence. It's so lovely. It is so lovely.